The sky is preparing its silent, sparkly show, sweetie.
I see the first tiny little lights waking up now.
Catch them like soft little secrets in the air.
Just for a tiny moment, and then we let them all go free.
They look like little tiny stars that fell down.
Just one more to make the best glowing pattern.
One, two, three. This is much better than acorns.
Look at the gentle, liquid light patterns they paint.
Observe the ephemeral child. True wisdom is seeing, then releasing.
So many lights! They're like little, fast-moving toys. We must move slowly so we don't frighten the light.
Look, Mom! We made our own beautiful glowing cloud. Are they okay being in here now, Mom? Maybe my scoop was just a tiny bit too big. They need cool air and lots of room to rest.
Kindness is creating a safe, slow space for them.
A good plan needs a cool, safe spot for rest. We defend and protect even the tiniest glowing friend.
Remember, all living wonders need the air to breathe.
This light is their language. Do we listen or merely observe?
I want them to feel safe and not scared of me.
A time treat before they fly up to the dark night.
They look so happy when they can gently talk to each other.
The greatest light is shared, not held tight. It is time now, sweetie. Time for freedom's gentle call.
Go be bright in the world, tiny friends.
Watch them go. And up. Observe the dance of light returning to the cosmos.
Be free. I'll catch you again another later night. Go have fun, you little lights. I'm sorry. It feels the best when you let the light go free.
Mission accomplished. Lights are safely launched.
Look how they dance together in a great, happy cloud. The tree remembers every glowing moment shared here.
Thank you, Mom. That was the best kind of game.
The greatest gifts are those we can give back freely. Silence is needed to hear the fireflies' thanks.
They always leave behind a little bit of magic.
The water reflects the light, even when it's gone. Next time, I'll only watch the lights dance instead.
Wisdom is letting go of what serves only oneself.
Good night, glowing wonder friends. Every beautiful sight deserves our gentlest touch.
Hoo-hoo! And the lesson is carried on the softest breeze. The ground remembers the steps of the gentle.
A safe perimeter must always be maintained, even in peace.
The world holds many quiet, constant wonders. Clearing the path for all who follow is kindness.
Empty hands are ready to give or to receive next time. Listening is seeing the world with your careful ears. The moon is a giant nut. Good night, friend.
See how the energy of one movement connects to the next.
Sleep tight. Tomorrow, no stealing, only sharing.
Safe lights, warm heart. True friendship is a quiet blanket on a chilly night. Every moment of quiet wonder is a gift to hold. The world is full of tiny mirrors showing us the light. Time to go home and dream of soft, floating clouds. Woo-hoo! The night's lesson is now written in the heart. Your jar may be empty, but your heart is full of light.
I can still feel their tiny bounces, Mom. This is where all the happy lights live together. Gentle hands know the language of respect. No need to chase. The light is always nearby now.
Careful hops mean quiet, peaceful dreams.
Sharing the path is sweeter than the biggest cone.
Beauty is the reflection of our gentlest thoughts. Hoo-hoo! The mind makes the most beautiful lantern.
Every good fortress is built on quiet strength.
Kindness is the perfect recipe. You gave them the sky, and now the sky is yours.
Free.
The sun brings new adventures, sweetie. The kindest game is waiting to be played again.
Now for a new, beautiful, safe thing to carry.
A kind heart finds a gentle use for everything.
Memories of kindness are the brightest treasures.
Your jar found a perfect new job, didn't it? I wonder what new adventure kindness will find today.
I brought a safe thing for us to play with now.
A kind game is always the most fun game of all.
Sharing is much better when you don't keep too much.
See the light break free and become 1,000 colors.
I carry only things that help, and not things that hurt.
Even tiny things need brave protectors like you.
The best lessons are those that bloom anew each day.
Harmony is the meadow's sweetest song. Soft touch. Tiny lives matter too.
Only kind catches now.
Perfect split, friend. Always help the steady ones.
Thank you for the gentle lift.
Smallest home, strongest guard.
Beauty is in the smallest reflection. Knowledge is a light to share. Kindness is finding a good new purpose. Sharing shade is sharing love.
Harmony is the reward of respect.
New growth starts with gentle ground. The meadow is always waiting for us to visit gently.
This one smells the safest.
Balance is better than counting catches.
Patience makes the river crossing perfect. Each ripple is a moment lived well.
No tiny treasure is ever left behind.
Thank you for finding the quiet helper. Every goodbye prepares a perfect hello.
The fireflies left their light behind for us.
See you soon, friend of the knowledge.
A kind place is always a quiet place.
Even a broken piece can reflect beauty when it's clean. Just walking is good enough for today.
We share what we need, not what we want.
There is so much light to see without ever touching.
The greatest lessons are always overhead.
Thank you for the light and for the lesson.
The light always returns to where it is most respected.